When you think about the wealthy, do you picture people with lavish lifestyles, expensive cars, and extravagant vacations? What if I told you that many self-made millionaires built their wealth not by splurging, but by practicing simple, intentional habits, habits rooted in frugality? We often underestimate the power of small, consistent actions. These actions, repeated daily, compound into something extraordinary over time. And today, I'm going to share with you 10 habits that frugal people embrace to achieve financial freedom. These habits aren't about deprivation, they're about creating a life of freedom and purpose through smart choices. The first habit is the foundation of all financial success: living below your means. It sounds simple, but it's one of the hardest things for most people to do. Think about it. When you earn more, the temptation to spend more grows with it. A bigger paycheck leads to bigger expenses: the latest gadgets, luxury cars, or upgraded homes. But truly wealthy people resist this temptation. They prioritize saving and investing over impressing others. Living below your means doesn't mean cutting out joy or experiences. It means understanding what truly matters to you. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle every time you get a raise, focus on creating a gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is what builds wealth. It's not about saying no to everything. It's about saying yes to your future. The second habit is tracking every dollar you spend. Awareness is power. You can't fix what you don't measure. Many people don't realize how much they're spending on small daily habits: coffee runs, impulse purchases, or streaming subscriptions. But when you track every dollar, you start seeing patterns. You gain control. Think about this. When you track your spending, you give every dollar a purpose. Instead of wondering where your money went at the end of the month, you'll know exactly where it went and why. This clarity allows you to align your spending with your priorities and make adjustments where needed. It's not about obsessing over every penny, but building awareness that leads to better decisions. Another habit that might surprise you is embracing a do-it-yourself mindset. In today's world, convenience often comes with a price tag. Whether it's dining out, paying for services, or buying prepackaged solutions, those costs add up quickly. Frugal people look for opportunities to do things themselves. Take cooking at home, for example. Not only is it healthier, but it can save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars a year. Learning to handle basic repairs or maintenance can have the same impact. It's not just about saving money, it's about building skills and independence. The next time you're tempted to pay for convenience, ask yourself, is this something I could learn to do on my own? Now, let's talk about one of the smartest habits: automating your savings. Think of this as setting your financial goals on autopilot. Instead of relying on willpower to save money every month, set up an automatic transfer to a savings or investment account. This way, the money is gone before you even see it, out of sight, out of temptation. The beauty of automation is that it turns saving into a habit you don't have to think about. Over time, those small, consistent contributions add up. It's not about how much you save at first, it's about building the habit of saving regularly. Frugality isn't just about spending less, it's about spending smarter. This brings us to the next habit: prioritizing quality over quantity. Many people equate frugality with being cheap, but the truth is, frugal people understand value. They know that buying a high-quality item once is often better than buying a cheaper version multiple times. For instance, investing in a durable pair of shoes might cost more upfront, but over time it saves you money by lasting longer. This habit extends beyond products. It's about choosing experiences, relationships, and investments that add long-term value to your life. Frugality is about making intentional choices, not simply avoiding spending. One of the biggest barriers to wealth is debt. High-interest debt can trap you in a cycle where you're working just to pay off what you owe. That's why avoiding unnecessary debt is a cornerstone of frugality. It's not about never borrowing. It's about borrowing wisely. Think about this. Every dollar you're paying in interest is a dollar you're not saving or investing. The first step is to live within your means and avoid credit card debt. If you already have debt, focus on paying it down aggressively. The freedom that comes with being debt-free is worth every sacrifice. Here's a habit that's often overlooked: using discounts and deals strategically. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being resourceful. Frugal people look for ways to save money on things they already need or plan to buy. Whether it's through sales, price comparisons, or loyalty programs, the idea is to maximize value without compromising quality. But here's the key. They don't buy things just because they're on sale. They buy with intention. The goal isn't to save a few dollars here and there. It's to make every dollar count. Wealthy people know that their most valuable asset is themselves. This brings us to one of the most important habits, investing in personal growth. This could mean learning a new skill, reading books, or taking courses that improve your earning potential. As Warren Buffett famously said, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Frugal people allocate time and resources toward growth because they know it pays dividends. Ask yourself, what's one skill you can develop that will help you grow personally or professionally? Start there. Now let's shift gears to something deeper, practicing gratitude and contentment. This might not seem like a financial habit, but it's incredibly powerful. When you focus on what you have rather than what you lack, you're less likely to spend money chasing fleeting satisfaction. Gratitude shifts your mindset. Instead of comparing yourself to others and feeling like you need more, you appreciate what you already have. This doesn't mean you stop striving. It means you strive from a place of abundance, not scarcity. Finally, frugal people focus on the long game. They're not swayed by trends or instant gratification. Instead, they think about how today's choices will affect tomorrow. This is the habit that ties everything together. When you adopt a long-term perspective, every decision becomes intentional. You're no longer spending to satisfy a temporary desire, you're investing in your future. Whether it's saving for retirement, building an emergency fund, or simply creating financial stability, the long game ensures that your efforts today lead to freedom tomorrow. Frugality isn't about cutting corners or living a life of sacrifice. It's about making choices that align with your values and goals. By adopting these habits, living below your means, tracking your spending, automating savings, and focusing on the long term, you're building a foundation for lasting wealth. So, what's the first habit you'll embrace? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're planning to take control of your financial future. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's build a life of freedom, one intentional choice at a time.